potatoes. I have 4 medium-sized potatoes boiled. I'm gonna mash it in here actually. I have some chopped green onions. I'm gonna add it in there. Look at that. This is almost ready now. I'm gonna taste a little bit and see how it tastes and see whether it has enough salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's really good. It's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and let it rest for like about 5 minutes. It's almost there. Let's steam our corn. I'm gonna break them. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some olive oil to this pan. I want it really hot, that way when I cook, it tastes really good. You can seal this. So I like my lamb loin medium rare. I'm gonna cook this on little high heat for 4 minutes each side. If you want it well done, 5 to 6 minutes each side. So it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna turn it over. Look at that, that looks good. Looks good in here. Garlic and parsley and butter, everything. So the temperature depends on your stove and the pan. You can adjust the temperature. So this one is like within 4 minutes on medium rare. If you want it fully cooked, well done, about 5 to 6 minutes each side. So it's ready now. Look at that. Really good. Let's eat. I have 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and half a stick of butter. And I have 1 cup of beef broth. I'm gonna be using as needed right here. One cup. And I'm gonna season my gravy with some pepper, black pepper, maybe a little bit, about half a teaspoon, not even half. And I'm gonna add a little bit parsley salt here, garlic parsley, just a little bit. I think that's good, that's enough. So this is ready now, yay! So this is ready, look at this. So I'm gonna taste a little bit and see whether it has enough salt and pepper. It's good, it's perfect. Let's eat now. It's time to eat. Let's eat. On my corn, I like some of this with the butter. I have melted butter, about a quarter stick. I'm gonna add this in here. Not much, just a little bit, sprinkle it. Then I'm gonna add this to my corn. It's really good. You should try this. Steam the corn for like about 5 minutes. If you want, you can add salt and pepper. If not, just the plain corn. I'm gonna, oh, I wish I have a glass of wine to go with this. Thank you, honey. Thank you. I like this red wine with lamb chops and the rack of lamb from Costco. They are delicious with this. So let's eat. I am gonna eat the mashed potatoes first with the gravy. It's really good. And this is the lamb. I'm gonna try cutting it and show you. This is medium rare. It's really good. It's very good. It's very good. I'm gonna try this first. It melts in your mouth actually. It's soft, tender, delicious. The garlic, parsley, and this grape poupon mustard. It's really good. Look at this. I'm gonna show you this one too. Look at that. Medium rare. Oh, it's really good. Very good. I'll try with this. It's really good. Look at this. That's medium rare and it's perfectly cooked. It's soft. It's really good. Look at that. Look at that. It's really good. Look at that. I'm gonna try the corn. Really good. The butter and that mix Gives a little crunch. It's really good. Corn with the salt and little pepper and some butter. It's delicious. This is a delicious lunch or a dinner. It's very easy to make under 10 minutes. I hope you guys try this, and thanks for joining me today to make this delicious lamb loin from Costco and the mashed potatoes and the steamed corn. And I hope you try this with your family and enjoy. I will see you on my next video. Thanks for joining me and thanks for watching me. Look at this. I actually love the corn. I ate 4. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goodness, I ate 4 lamb loins. It's from Costco. I want you guys to try this. Don't overcook it, do the medium rare. It's really good. I like everything medium rare on lamb. And the mashed potatoes and the gravy. All gone. I ate all mine. Usually I don't finish all of it, but that was really good. And this wine goes great with the lamb. I hope you guys try this. This is really good. Thank you. Do comment below my video because I like to know how it comes out. Enjoy with the family and the friends. Thank you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.